Project management is a booming profession. In industry, project work is becoming increasingly important. The pharma industry is not an exception here. In this video, I will give you insights into project work in the pharma and biotech industries, and I will explain what you need to start your career in project management in the pharma business. My name is Dr. Fabian Muttach. I do have a PhD in biochemistry. After my PhD, I immediately left the academic world and I now work for a German pharmaceutical corporation. On this channel here, I will answer career questions specifically for natural science students and graduates who intend to leave academia. If these topics are important for you, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. In the upcoming videos, I will also present other job profiles for natural science graduates in the pharma industry. In case you would like to know more about a specific job in the pharma and biotech industry, write a comment just below. As the name already implies, a project manager is responsible for all aspects required in managing projects. If a project was an airplane, the project manager would be the captain steering that airplane through clear skies, but also through thunderstorms. The project manager manages scope, time, quality, and budget of a project. As project manager, you are responsible to build your team and to motivate that team throughout the whole project. You need to present project results to your stakeholders and also to defend your project. In one sentence, you need to be a true leader of that project. Project management is 90% communication. If you don't like to communicate, don't go for a career as project manager. In addition to a project manager, you will also see the job of a so-called project coordinator. Although the name sounds similar, they assume different tasks within a project. While the project manager is really the captain, the project coordinator is the first officer. The project coordinator supports the project manager in his or her daily tasks. What are the prerequisites for natural science graduates to start a career in project management? First, it is important to understand that there is no such thing as the project manager or the project management. Projects are set up in a variety or even all departments of a company. There are, for example, projects in quality, in regulatory affairs, in research and development, or in supply chain management. And projects can have very different goals. Projects can, for example, be set up to optimize processes, to save costs, to introduce new products, or also to fulfill regulatory requirements defined by the health authorities. As project manager, you do not need to know every little detail of what is done in your project. But it's very, very helpful to generally understand what your experts are doing. If you lead, for example, a development project, a solid background in natural sciences is required, or at least very, very helpful. In addition to that, you need to know and apply the proper tools to manage projects. This is something you can learn on the one hand theoretically in courses. And I, for example, also offer a project management seminar for natural science graduates. But on the other hand, you need to get hands-on experience. Hands-on experience is generally most important in industry. If you are still studying, I would recommend that you first do an internship in project management. And if you have already graduated and you are ready to start your first job, you have different options. In large pharmaceutical corporations, it is rather uncommon that you directly start as a project manager. In big pharma companies, you are typically appointed as project manager after you have gained a few years of experience working in projects. Entry positions would rather be in the area of project support, project coordination, or as a process expert. The situation is different in smaller pharma companies, where also beginners typically get a chance to prove themselves as project manager. If you have more questions regarding a start in project management as a natural scientist, write a comment below and I will get back to your question. And if you like my content, don't forget to share this video, hit the subscribe button and give a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Yours, Dr. Fabian Muttach.